Now we're going to discuss arrays. Arrays are just a way of capturing multiple values in a single variable. And arrays in Golang are a fixed length contiguous memory. So we have to specify the actual length of the array. So for example, let's create a names array, and we do this by specifying the number. So we put brackets and then 2 string, and let's assign a couple of these already. So names 0 could be me, and then let's print this out. Now you can see that we can change different values within here. The type itself, this type cannot be changed because this is how Go creates an array. This might seem very limiting, but there is actually a much better item to use than arrays, which is called a slice, and we'll dive into that in the next lecture.